Craving that perfect Chipotle burrito bowl, but want it delivered right to your door and paid for with that gift card you've been saving? First things first, fire up your Doordash app or head to the Doordash website. If you're ordering from your computer, make sure you're logged into your account. Now, let's find your Chipotle. Use the search bar at the top of the app or website and type in Chipotle. Select the location closest to you or the one you prefer. Browse through the menu and add all your favorites to your cart. Don't forget the guac. Once you're done drooling over the menu and have everything you want, tap the View Cart or Checkout button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the Payment Methods section. Here's the key. Doordash doesn't directly support adding Chipotle gift cards, so you have two main options to use your gift card balance. Option 1. Order directly through the Chipotle app or website at checkout. You can easily apply your gift card then. Many locations offer delivery or you can pick it up yourself. Option 2. Use your Chipotle gift card to purchase a prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card online then. Add that prepaid gift card as a payment method within your Doordash account. Under the Payment Methods section, simply enter the card number, expiration date, and security code just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. Now, select your newly added prepaid card as your payment method at checkout. If your order total is higher than the balance on the card, Doordash will prompt you to add another payment method to cover the difference. Complete your order, track your delivery, and get ready to enjoy that delicious Chipotle meal, all thanks to your gift card and the convenience of Doordash. Enjoy!